Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Grandama espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up. We replaced the brewing that you see right here. This was not closing all the way here. As you can kind of see, there's still a little bit gap. And it was definitely struggling in transmission and making the machine work extra hard as the brewing was no longer lubricated and it was just struggling a lot to move up and down. We relubricated the transmission. We replaced this brake unit that you see right here. We replaced the gasket from the generator. So descale the machine and just give it a good clean. And as you can see, we now have a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent quality, 1.5 ounces, perfect. Good crema, working great. We're gonna be testing the hot water for this machine, and as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the one as well, working the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Grandama working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.